Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable or turn off Gmail notifications on your desktop PC. So if you don't want to get any Gmail notifications on your computer, we'll show you a quick way to disable them. So stay tuned and let's get started. So all you have to do is to open up your Gmail account on your computer, and then you need to click this Chrome browser. And then once you sign in or log in already, so in the next step, then you need to click this icon settings on the top right corner beside your Google account profile. And then you need to click. And then you can see this quick settings. And next, this is the see all settings. Then you need to tap or click. And then once you open up here at settings, and underneath here at general settings, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this desktop notifications. Alright, so once you find already this desktop notifications, this is allows Gmail to display pop-up notifications on your desktop when new email message arrives. And on right side, we have three options here that you want to choose. So one is the new mail notifications on. Notify me when any new message arrives in my inbox or primary tab. So we have two here, inbox or primary tab. And the next one is the important mail notifications on. Notify me when an important message arrives in my inbox. And the next, this is the mail notifications off. So if you don't want to receive any Gmail notifications, then you need to select this mail notifications off. And then once you select, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to click or tap this save changes. Alright, so that's it guys. So it's very simple on how to turn off Gmail notifications here on your PC computer. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on desktop settings. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Gmail guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.